And really pleasure to meet you all. And thank you for all of you who addressed the speeches. I admire those speeches. First of all, it was very interesting to see all of the timeline of humanity, and also the timeline of Bible was very inspiring to me. And for the next, it is really interesting to see the culture of Africa and India as well. And those speeches, I find some common things, which is the community and humanity, because there are so many diversity in this whole world, and that enriches the human cultures. But and also personally, I'm working in the HWPL Peace Education Department, and diversity of culture is really important and beautiful. But sometimes it makes some because of these differences, it makes some violence or conflicts between them. So I think we need to go. Sometimes we need to go beyond those diversity, and we that would be the humanity and also the unification and harmony. And through the speeches of all of you, I can feel that, and I'm really happy to hear all of you. And I'm really pleasure to meet you. Thank you.